remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Also watch our previous videos so that you can master R. Okay, so we'll start with the sequence function. Sequence function. So if I want to write sequence of numbers, so let's say I want to write 1 to 10, I don't need to write, I can write it this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and click run. Run is Control Enter. So that's it. Remember, I told you whenever you're writing more than one, you start it with a C. Now, instead of me writing it this way, I can write it using this 1:10. So 1:10 means the same thing, 1 to 10. So that's how to write the sequence. So if I want to write 1 to 100, I can't start typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 100. I can just do 1:100. So this is how to write sequence 1 to 100. Then we have other ways we can write this. We can use the sequence function. So the sequence function is SEQ. So I want to learn more about it. I can use the question mark SEQ to learn more about it. So XEQ. So this is it. So SEQ, the first thing you have to write is from, where you are starting from. So I can write from, I'm starting from 1. Then where are you going to? 200. To 10, sorry. So that's 1 to 10. I can write sequence 1 to 10 without writing from and to, because I'm following the order. I explained this in our last class. If you are following the default order, that means from comes first, to comes next. You don't need to write from and to. Now, what if I want to skip, maybe I just want only the odd numbers, meaning after writing 1, I skip the next number, I write 3, I skip the next number. How will I do it? That's when I will use this by function. So you can see examples of how they use it, by. So I can use this by function. So this is how I'll do it. SEQ 1, 2, times 1 is for from, 10 is to 2, then by is 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I'm skipping. So what if I want even numbers? How will I do it? Let me write comment. I want even numbers. How will I do it? I'll do SEQ. Since I'm going to start from 2 even numbers. So 2 to, let me say 1,000, okay, 2,000. Then I want by 2. By 2 means I'm skipping the next number. I move to the next. So this is it. So I started from 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is how to get sequence of numbers. So what if I want numbers from, I have the beginning number, I have the last number, and I decide to tell arrow between these two numbers, give me 10 digits that are equally spaced. How will I do it? I want 10 digits that are equally spaced. That's when I will use this function length, this object length out. So this is how to do it. So I want to start from 1, I want to move to 20, and I just want 6 numbers. So I will do length out equal to 6. So give me 6 equally spaced numbers from 1 to 20. So this is it. So we have 1.0, 4.8, 8.6, 12.4, 16.2, and 20. So arrow will give you, starting from the first number down to the last number, equally spaced numbers. And I told arrow I want 6, so arrow will give you 6 equally spaced numbers. So if I want 10 equally spaced numbers, I can copy this. Or if I want maybe 50, I write 50. So arrow will give me 50 equally spaced number from 1 to 20. So now we've learned how to use the sequence function. Either you use the colon, or the colon is limited, so we can use the sequence function to have many things we can do. We can decide to use the by function and skip some numbers. if I want to get multiple of 5, I use by equal to 5, and I start with 5. So I start with 5, 10, 15, 20. I also use the length out, where I tell arrow, give me the number of, I will tell arrow the number of equally spaced numbers I want. I will tell arrow where I'm starting from, and I'll also tell arrow where I'm going to end. So this is how to use the sequence function. Thank you.